When creating tables in Microsoft Word, consider formatting for proper reading order. Screen readers will move through the table from left to right, top to bottom, one cell at a time. It is not advisable to merge or split cells because it alters the reading order. Also, if there are blank cells, screen readers will read blank for every empty cell. To check how a table will be read, you can place your cursor in the first cell and use the Tab button on your keyboard to move to the next cell. In this case, where the cells are merged for the Labor Day holiday, let's replace this row with a new row that has the same formatting in the columns and rows like the rest of the table. To do this, right-click, select Insert, and choose Insert Rows Above. Let's place the proper text in the new row and then delete the old row. It's important to consider abbreviations when formatting tables. Write the whole word instead of abbreviating. When writing months, either write out the whole word or use a numeric date instead. It's also important to use column header rows on all tables. To do this, select your table. Notice that the Table Tools appears above. Click on the Design tab, select Header Row, then select Layout and make sure that Repeat Header Rows has been indicated. Sometimes the accessibility checker will give the error Missing Alt Text. Alternative text provides descriptions of images and other objects. In this case, you will select the table, right-click, select Table Properties, select Alt Text tab, and type your description. Select OK when you are finished. Finally, you can change the style of the table by looking at the Design tab and navigating through the Table Styles group. Try avoiding red and green tones. Darker shades are the best option. Here is one last and final tip. If you wish to leave the cell blank, which mentioned earlier is not advisable, change the font color to the same as the background color.